Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're baking a homemade rainbow confetti cake. And I'm just putting it in the oven now to bake. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep watching the whole video for the end results. Too cute, too beautiful, and so fast. Came out okay. It smells good. I can't wait to cut it open though and see how it looks. Right?
She saw the video.
Huh?
She saw the video.
What video? What video?
The video with the cake. Making the cake.
Yeah.
You forgot what video?
Say hi, Taylor.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh wow. Why you cutting it so hard? Alright, now put the knife under it. Lift it up. Wait. Okay.
Oh.
That's it. Push the knife further inside. Further, deeper, Okay. Put it in.
Mommy.
Ready?
Mommy.
Go. I got it. I'm helping you. Okay, wait. Hold on, guys.
That's what I was saying.
Malfunction. Okay, go ahead. It's so messy.
Ooh. And
It smells really good.
It doesn't look that bad.
It doesn't look bad. It's cute and it smells really sweet.
I want to eat the first piece.
Go ahead. I can't cut it off.